I'll do everyone. I'm 10 Bob Millionaire. Hope you're doing okay. This is Volcano Power Hold and Hit Freebie Free. Okay. Let's sort the monetary value out. Goes up in 5p's. So we're going 10 Bob and we're going to do 40 spins through. Hopefully we get something. Eh? Fingers crossed, everyone. Spacebar works. Lovely. New slot again. 10 Bob there in jacks. Quite like these little freebie frees. You get something, it hits. Or else it just, there's nothing. There we go, there. We've got 10 Bob. Money back. So Volcano collects the coins. There we go. That's a tenner. More coins. £10.50. Take it. We got the bonus game. Nice. Fucking bonus game. Sweet. What have we got to fucking tap to continue? Oh, come on. I'm trying to tap something. It's broken. No, don't do this to me. No. No. I'm clicking. I'm clicking. I'm clicking. I'm clicking. I'm clicking. Right, I'm going to have to just stop you a minute and see if it comes back. In fact, can I just... Let me just do that. Keep you live. Right, okay. I'm going to refresh it and see what happens when I refresh it. I'm going to keep you live. Why not? Why not? You can't see anything. It's great. If it comes back with no bonus... Right, yeah, I'm going to be wounded. Okay, so let me have it. I can bring you back. Start. There we go. Bonus game. See? Hey! There we go. Well, I've got another quid. Another. Yeah, all right. That's not just a collect. That's a fucking collector. Yeah, keep coming. More. A day to chuck a grand in or something dirty. Last spin. Oh, of course it's done me dirty. £16.50 though. On spin 15. We can't complain at that, can we? We can't argue at it. Not one little bittle. Let's carry on. Spin 20. Halfway through. I don't think... Do you reckon we'll get something again? Oh. We collected 10 bob. We got money back. 10 bob. Another 10 bob again. That with the jacks though. Not had them flowers yet. Come on, Volcano Power. Right, we've got 10 spins left. We've got the quid there. 10 to go. Spin 30, 10 left. Some slots are really volatile. It depends how you find them, innit? Spin 39. That's sort of fine. Last spin, give us a win. But I mean, we're down. We're a tenner down. We're halfway down, but I mean, it could have been far worse. I mean, let's be honest about it. We could have been 20 quid, 17 quid down. I've had some bad ones. I've had some good ones so far tonight. So, you know, that's how it is. We're still in profit. Thank you very much.